Hey Hill School, Catherine here, and thank you for joining us for this week's Hill TV episode. This is episode number 20 for this year. If it's happening at Hill, we have it. Now let's have a look at the upcoming lunch menu.
Lava here with this week's lunch menu. On Monday, there will be mouth-watering French bread pizza, one of my favorites. Tuesday, there will be hot dogs. On Wednesday, there will be a choice of delicious cheese or pepperoni pizza. Thursday, there will be chicken patty sandwich. On Friday, there will be Wild Mike's Bites. Now on to Eva with the weather.
It's finally May. This week looks like it'll have some warmer weather. Clouds, but unlikely to rain. On Monday, it will be sunny with a high temperature of 65 degrees. Tuesday with mostly sunny with a high temperature of 72 degrees. Wednesday will be the hottest with a high temperature of 74 degrees and will be partly cloudy. Thursday will be partly cloud with a high temperature of 69 degrees. Friday is partly cloudy again and 65 degrees. This weekend looks warm with a high temperature of 64 on Saturday and 63 on Sunday. It doesn't look like a lot of sunshine with it being mostly cloudy. Overall, it seems like it will be a dry week with spring-like temperatures. Now on to Ari with this week's Student Spotlight.
Hey, Ari here for this week's Student Spotlight. This week's Student Spotlight is Annalisa Ray. Annalisa is always willing to help anyone in her classroom. She is a good friend to everyone and is helpful to her teachers. She is a hard worker with anything she puts her mind to, and she is willing to sacrifice what she wants to make a teammate or partner happy. Great job, Annalisa, and thank you for being an awesome Hill Hawk. Now into Zoe with this week's Hill School Trivia.
Zoe here with this week's Hill School Trivia. Alright, here we go. How many doors in the Hill School will allow you to get to the outside of the school? I will repeat the question. How many doors in the Hill School will allow you to get to the outside of the school? If there is double doors, that counts as 2. And if you think you have the answer, write it down on a piece of paper and give it to Mr. Broughton. The first person to get the right answer gets a prize. Now on to Allie with this or that.
Allie here with.
Mrs. Wilson.
Now let's get on to this week's This or That. Playing sports or gaming?
Definitely sports.
Walking on your hands or eating with your feet?
Oh, that's a tough one. I'm going to go with eat with your feet.
Turtles or sloths?
Sloths.
Crackers or cookies?
Cookies all day long.
Science or social studies?
You could probably answer that.
Science, I'm going to say. Thanks, Miss Wilson, for joining us for this week's This or That. Now on to Catherine with this week's joke.
This month, we are focusing on courage here at Hill School. Courage means that you choose to do what is right, kind, or even when that might be hard or scary. It takes courage to try something new or stand up for what is right when others are not. When we all have the chance to make Hill School better, and sometimes that takes courage. Choose to be brave and have confidence that you are doing the right thing. Be courageous, Hill School.
Catherine here with a joke to finish off the episode. I'm here with
Nolan.
Let's get started. Why did the toddler throw the butter out of the window?
I don't know.
To see butterfly. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Tank.
Tank who?
You're welcome. Last joke. Why are sports stadiums so cool?
Why?
Because they're filled with fans. Thank you for joining us for this week's Hill TV episode.
This month. Oh wait, there's an S after.
Temperature of 69 degrees. Friday is partly cloudy again with 50. No. I said